Welcome back, my loves. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Zuri Deep Twist V8910. You guys, this hairstyle is amazing. I love it. If you like it, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, I had washed, conditioned, stretched, I braided, and I even put a leave out. I love leave outs when it comes down to crochets. You don't have to do it, but I prefer it. Your braids under here does not have to be perfect. Remember, we are covering these up. And some of you, you do not have to have braids as well. You can have twists. You can even put it in a ponytail and still crochet it in. I'll probably show you another video on that soon. When I say I did grease my scalp, I greased the heck out of it. Right now I'm just putting in some anti-itch serum just so it will not itch underneath these crochet. So make sure you're putting some type of product on so you won't be able to itch your hair and mess your hair up as your hair is going. V8910 from Zuri Deep Twist in 1B. I got this in my local beauty supply store, you guys. You can get it anywhere, actually. You can get it on Amazon. This is my first time trying this product, so let's see how this goes. Loves, looking at this hair and feeling it, this calls for a major separation. You don't want these too thick in your hair because they will not stay in. So please make sure you're splitting them up into 2s or 3s. How to crochet. Okay, we're going to have a tight grip on the hair. You're going to grab the crochet needle and you're going to push it underneath the braid. You're going to put the hair on the needle and then you're going to close it up, pull it through, and then you're going to put your index finger and your thumb in between. You're going to grab the hair and pull it through. You're going to tie it a little, like twist it on the left hand side, and then you're going to just pull it through. This is just one method. There are plenty of methods. Second method. Okay, the second method is just like the first method. The only difference is instead of pulling them through and dropping it, you're going to pull it through, separate, and then tie that into a knot. If you have really thick braids, I'm going to show you that you can put the crochet needle in between the braids, pull the hair through, and then tie it from there, because you don't want that big bulky braid to be sitting around it and then it comes out in the future. Okay, sweethearts, I would like my closure to be a little closer to my face. So we're going to take a small amount of hair and we're going to make a closure. We're going to tie a knot right into the front or closer. And then we're going to just tie a little knot there. And we're going to blend this in with the rest of the hair. I mean, you see how far back the line goes? I just want to put that line a little closer to my face. Okay, so all we're going to do is fluff it out, and as we're fluffing out, we're going to go ahead and cut those loose ends, cut those ends that doesn't look right. You guys, make this match with your face. Blending. When blending, I do want to make sure my part matches my braid part at the top. Okay, you guys, I'm using this new styling gel called Melt In by Ebon. I am going to test it out. I'm telling you, I kind of did already and I like it. I got it at my local beauty supply store. You guys, I'll leave it in the description box below. So since this was my first time using this product, you guys, I made sure I put enough or not too much, but because I was going to put a scarf on. Okay, when you put this scarf on, this is going to blend it. This is going to help mend your hair together. It's going to help mold it into the style that you want. And this is the finished style, you guys. Ooh, we bumbo B. I'm loving it. It looks so natural. It looks full. You guys, it looks like my natural hair. I love this product, you guys. Remember, all my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.